CBFI 20-ton food-grade tube ice plant project showcase.
This is a coastal area in Southeast Asia with a hot and humid climate. Welcome to Angono ice plant. The factory uses a CBFI 20-ton integrated tube ice machine. It has steadily produced ice cubes for over a year. Offer you a steady ice cube supply. Ice cubes are made from RO-grade multi-filtered water. All equipment parts in contact with ice are stainless steel. Produces clean, good-looking ice cubes that melt slowly. The factory has an ice storage cold room, offering ice supply 24/7. The factory has placed another order for a CBFI 30-ton tube ice machine to expand production capacity and supply you with more ice.
CBFI tube ice machines use bits or compressors for high cooling efficiency and stable performance. Patented heat exchange technology speeds up ice release by 30%, increasing productivity. Its integrated design allows fast and easy installation, saving both transport and site costs, and enabling quick setup and production.